Tick Cash App Review. Is this rewards app legit? If you've come across the Tick Cash app and are curious whether it's a legitimate rewards app or potentially a scam, this review will walk you through what the app claims to offer, how it works, and key things to consider before you start using it. Tick Cash app is presented as a mobile app that lets users earn rewards, such as points, gift cards, or cash, by completing small tasks, watching ads, or engaging with offers inside the app. The appeal is earning extras in your spare time with minimal effort, which can be attractive if you enjoy casual reward-style apps. Getting started with Tick Cash app typically involves downloading it, creating an account, and then exploring the available tasks or offers you can complete to earn rewards. A simple, easy-to-navigate interface may make this process feel smooth, but the way rewards are earned and redeemed is far more important than the layout itself. One of the biggest things to consider with rewards apps is whether the earning process is transparent and if the rewards are actually paid out. Legitimate apps clearly explain how points are earned, what tasks qualify, how long it takes for rewards to post, and how you can redeem them. If these details are unclear or confusing, it could indicate a low-quality app or something that isn't reliable. Security and data privacy are important as well. A trustworthy app should protect your personal information, use secure connections, and request only necessary permissions. If permissions seem unrelated to the app's functions or privacy terms are vague, that's a sign to be cautious. User feedback can also provide valuable insight. Verified reviews that mention successful reward redemption and smooth user experience are positive signs. On the other hand, generic praise, a lack of detailed testimonials, or few real user reviews make it difficult to trust the app's claims. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, the Tick Cash app offers a simple way to engage with tasks and potentially earn rewards in your spare time. Its easy setup and flexible earning opportunities can make it convenient for casual users. On the downside, the cons focus on clarity and trust. Earnings can be very low. Reward criteria may not be clearly explained, and limited verified user feedback makes it harder to confirm whether rewards are reliably paid. Privacy and data usage concerns also deserve careful consideration. In summary, the Tick Cash app might be worth trying if you're looking for a casual way to engage with simple tasks and potentially earn small rewards. However, unclear reward mechanics, low earnings, and limited reliable feedback mean you should approach with balanced expectations and pay close attention to how your information is used before fully committing.